On the quiet shores of Lake Champlain, 5 private acres invite you to slow down and take in the view of the Adirondacks rising in the distance. Just minutes from Basin Harbor Club, this property is perfectly positioned for those who cherish both tranquility and recreation. Here, the landscape is as much a part of life as the home itself. Woodlands and rock gardens, manicured lawns, and outdoor spaces designed for moments you'll remember. A charming guest cottage offers a warm welcome for friends and family, or the perfect quiet escape for artists and writers. At the water's edge, a private dock invites endless adventures. Morning paddles, afternoon sails, and evenings watching the sun dip behind the Adirondacks. Every path leads somewhere magical, past sculptures and gardens, through dappled light, and down to the lake where the horizon feels like it belongs to you alone. Inside the main house, expansive rooms are filled with natural light and custom details. The chef's kitchen, complete with an iconic Aga stove, sets the stage for memorable gatherings. While the living room's elegant wood-burning fireplace creates a warm retreat on cooler evenings. French doors open to a screened porch and stone patios, where lake breezes and Adirondack views become part of everyday life. Whether your day begins with a coffee on the balcony, a swim in the lake, or a round of golf nearby, this is a lifestyle defined by choice and connection to nature. This is more than a home, it's your private retreat on one of Vermont's most beautiful stretches of shoreline. Schedule your private tour and experience it for yourself.